Hi folks, a lot of people were asking me how to make pate. Okay, my pate I do a little weird because people can't cook liver worth a darn. Now you take 8 ounces of raw chicken liver. First kill the chicken, excuse me, first kill the chicken and get the liver out. You want 8 ounces. Or you can buy the little tub at the supermarket, it's a little easier. What you want to do is you put them in a little saucepan, fill it up till there's a little bit of water just covering the chicken liver, boil. Add 2 tablespoons of cognac, uh, one third, fourth tablespoon of salt, it's 1/4, can't read my own handwriting, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 tablespoon of grated white onion, a dash of ghost pepper sauce, and let's see, and the rest we put it in the blender for later. Once you cook that up, you drain it, save 2 tablespoon liquids of the cooked broth. I say about 2 tablespoons. Okay, now I argue with my family because I'm a little bit of a nut. You know, they say I'm wasting fluid and stuff, so I save most of the liquid and I use it for something else. But the cooked chicken liquid from the liver, I add 2 more tablespoons of cognac. I add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey. Add another shot of ghost pepper sauce. That's a dash is about 1/8 teaspoon of ghost pepper sauce in there. Okay, and then we'll put it in the blenders, the cooked chicken, the cognac, the liquid, the soy sauce, blend it all up really good. Okay, then you add 1/4 smooth or crunchy peanut butter. Okay, grind. Then you add a 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped black olives. And it's all grinding in the blender. By this time, it looks pretty disgusting. Okay. And then blend thoroughly. Pack it into a container, a mold. Cover, store and refrigerate it until well chilled. It pops out of the mold. And serve it on thin toast or crackers. And people look at it and they say, "Is this chicken liver?" And I say, "No, it's Uncle Alan's Pate Southern style." So I hope you enjoy this. Everybody, like Michelle and Rob, Big Rick and Little Rick, I gotta make you a Branston pickle sandwich with cheese. I know a lot of people don't like my English cooking, but even the English don't like my English cooking because I eat Branston pickle with peanut butter and sometimes with dry squid. Now, I always try to put dried squid and sriracha sauce in that mix, but people were kind of looking at me and said, "Uncle Alan, there's a little tentacle sticking out of the pate. That's good for you. Don't hurt you. Make you grow hair on your chest." But I'm a little girl, Uncle Alan. Yeah. So I'll catch you later, folks.